So in the second video we have to complete this lesson. Actually meeting was over. In the first video we have seen about the ruinous condition. First of all, they enjoyed the party, then she lost the necklace, and now to pay the debt they have to work very hard, and they did it. What was their condition about? Right, very piteous, very ordinary, and you can see, right, it was one beautiful pretty looking Madame Loisel. It now looks very rough, very crude woman of poor household. Hair badly dressed, skirts very twisted, her hands red. She spoke in a loud tone, जो pretty voice था, and washed the floor with large pails of water. But sometime when her husband was at the office, she would seat herself before the window and think of that evening party of former times. उसको याद आ गई वो night of that ball where she was so beautiful and so flattered. Flattered मतलब she was quite pleased. She was absolutely pleased. But वो भी क्या दिन थे ऐसा उसको याद आ गया. How would it have been if she had not lost the necklace? Who knows how singular is life and how full of changes? Life is like that. At any moment it can twist and turn. How small a thing will ruin or save one. या तो एक घड़ी में किसी को राइट काफी अपर कंडीशन में ले सकते हैं, हाईएस्ट कंडीशन में ले जाते हैं, किसी को रुइन भी कर देते हैं. One Sunday, as she was as she was taking a walk in the Champs-Élysées to rid herself of the cares of the week, she suddenly perceived a woman walking with a child. एक ब्यूटीफुल लेडी अपने चाइल्ड के साथ वॉकिंग कर रही थी. It was none other than Madame Foster. उसने तो पहचान लिया. Still young, still pretty, still attractive, still beautiful. Madame Loisel was affected. Should she speak to her? क्या मैं उससे बात करूं कि नहीं करूं? बाद में उसने सोचा, yes, certainly, why not? And now that she had paid everything, she had paid all 36,000, she would tell her all. Why not? That I ruined myself due to you. She approached her. Good morning, Jenny. अपने पेट नेम से बुलाया. Her friend didn't recognize her. उसने पहचाना तक नहीं. And was surprised, astonished, startled, bewildered to be so familiarly addressed by this common personage. ये तो कोई उसका खास आदमी नहीं, खास फ्रेंड ही पुकारे ऐसा जेनी करके किसने बुलाया. Again she halted, she faltered, she stuttered, she stammered, right? But madam, I don't know, you must be mistaken. मैं तुमको नहीं पहचानती, तुम कौन हो? मुझे कौन ये नाम से पुकार रहा है? जो मेरा फ्रेंड ही पुकार सकता है. नो, आई एम मैटिल्डा लॉयजल. मैं तुम्हारी फ्रेंड, कॉन्वेंट की फ्रेंड मैटिल्डा लॉयजल. Her friend uttered a cry of surprise, astonishment, amazement. Right? She was literally shocked, startled. Oh, my poor Matilda, how you have changed. You have utterly changed, absolutely changed. How you are looking very gorgeous and pretty. Now you look very rough, very old. Yes, I have had some hard days since I saw you, and some miserable ones, and all because of you. तुम्हारी वजह से मेरी लाइफ ऐसी रुइन हो गई. देखो, एक तो देने का और ऊपर से गाली भी खाने की. Because of me? How is that? You recall the diamond necklace that you loaned me to wear to the minister's ball? तुमने मुझे एक डायमंड नेकलेस दिया था, राइट? वो ऐसे ही पहनने के लिए, पार्टी के लिए. डू यू रिमेम्बर दैट? यस, वेरी वेल. वेल, आई लॉस्ट इट. वो तो मैंने खो दिया था. हाउ इज दैट सिंस यू रिटर्न इट टू मी? तुमने तो मुझे वापस लौटा दिया था. हाउ इज दैट यू रिटर्न इट टू मी? I return another to you exactly like it, and it has taken us 10 years to pay for it. मेरी जिंदगी उसमें गुजर गई, मेरे 10 precious years of my life I ruined. You can understand that it was not easy for us who have nothing. हमारे पास तो कुछ था ही नहीं. We were poor, not as rich as you were. So हमको बहुत टाइम लगा, but it is finished. But now I am happy कि मैंने पूरा का पूरा debt पे कर दिया. And I am decently content. I am satisfied. Madam Foster stopped short. उसको रुकवा दिया. She said, "You say that you bought a diamond necklace to replace mine." मैंने जो तुमको दिया था पहनने के लिए पार्टी में, बॉल पार्टी में, राइट, वो तुमने रिप्लेस किया था. यस, यू डिडंट परसीव इट देन. तुमने अभी तक उसको जांच पड़ताल नहीं की. यू आर नॉट नोटिस. दे वर जस्ट अलाइक. एक जैसे ही थे, इसीलिए तुमको पता नहीं चला. And she smiled with proud and simple joy. Madam Foster and she smiled. She smiled with proud and simple joy. Madam Foster was touched and took both her hands, and she replied, "Oh, my poor Matilda, mine were false. It was imitated, not the real one. They were not worth over 500 francs, and you consume 40,000 francs for that and ruin your life." That's what life is. For no reason, if she could have wear that precious diamond in death of that flowers or something like that, life could have been different. So what is the moral of the story? That one should not take, or one should not owe things from others, especially for the party and this, right? This could be quite devastating or dangerous, and life can be ruined due to that. Thank you very much for hearing me, and also waiting for one more video, right, or some more videos. You ask other to subscribe my channel if you really liked it. So like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.